Good afternoon all, and we are here to present a skit on barriers of communication. In our day-to-day life, we have seen or we have ourselves experienced a lot of barriers of communication: language, speech, hierarchy, a lot of it. I would like to explain a situation. I was walking through a lane which was fairly dark. Okay, and there was a huge sign saying that there is a work in progress going on, and it was dark, and cables were being replaced and put, and BMC people were here and there around. And the sign read, go slow, work in progress. Okay, now I wondered, go slow, work in progress had a period after go, which means go slow, work in progress, काम धीरे चल रहा है, तुम जाओ. It should have been go slow, धीरे जाओ, there is work in progress. So you see, a small punctuation mark, a small period, a full stop can make a huge difference in communicating things to people. Okay, if somebody would have read that board, I'm sure a linguistic person would have understood it too. Anyways, so getting down to the skit, today we are going to present a skit on barriers of communication. And to introduce those characters, we have Vaibhav as the king of South. He is King Rajnikanta's blah 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 whatever. Then we have Prachi as the messenger of King from Western Province. Yo yo. We have King's minister, King Rajnikanta's minister, played by Pinak. Then we have our very own lady CR, Rekha, playing as the Narad Muni. Narayan, Narayan. And we have Pooja and me playing as the Praja to the king, as well as the entertainers to the king. Hello all. So let's begin the skit with scene 1.
Narayan, Narayan. Wow, looks like the entire kingdom is present here. Well, recently, our king Rajnikanta Talaiva has just conquered the northern province. Well, let's see what he has to say to the Praja.
Welcome to my new Desha. You are now a part of Amityabad, my Amityabad. Over here, you will have. I ensure you that you will get prosperity. You will be rich. You will be prosperous.
Your Highness, it seems that the people are not able to understand what you are trying to communicate. May I request you to communicate in a language that they'll be able to
What?
understand?
मैं है साउथ का रजनीकांता. मैं है साउथ का रजनीकांता.
Yes, Your Highness.
तुम्हारे देश का बैंड बजाता, तुम्हारे राजा का बैंड बजाता, इडली खाता, लुंगी पहनता, तमिल बोलता तो तुमको समझ नहीं आता?
ये क्या बोल रहा है, क्या बोल रहा है, क्या बोल रहा है, क्या बोल रहा है?
Gustav माफ होता, Highness. I'll explain your message in Hindi. With your permission, Your Highness.
Please.
जहाँपना आपसे ये कहना चाहते हैं कि आपकी जिंदगी में अशांति और ना इंसाफी लाएंगे। I'm sorry, मेरा मतलब है कि आपकी जिंदगी में अशांति और आपको इंसाफ दिलाएंगे और आपका जीवन खुशहाली से भर देंगे। आपका जीवन खुशी से भर देंगे। May we proceed further?
Please.
After you, Highness.
Narayan, Narayan. Well, English and Tamil. The Praja couldn't understand what he was talking. Now, let's see.
Scene 2.
नारायण नारायण, लगता है दरबार में किंग बहुत गुस्से में है। कुछ तो अपने प्रजा के लिए रूल्स बना रहे हैं। क्या होंगे वो रूल्स? पता नहीं। देखते हैं कैमरामैन बनी के साथ लाइव फ्रॉम T3।
Sure, Your Highness.
Yeah.
With your permission, Your Highness. जहां ने आप लोगों के लिए कुछ नए कायदे कानून बनाए हैं, लेकिन उसके पहले आप गांव वालों, आपको क्या लगा था जहां बना आपसे खुश होगा, शाबाशी देगा, हाँ हाँ धूप। इसीलिए उन्होंने आप लोगों के लिए नए कायदे कानून बनाए हैं। इसे ध्यान से सुनिए और कोई भी गलती माफ नहीं की जाएगी। कायदा नंबर 1, सभी प्रजाजनों को यह सूचित किया जाता है कि आज से कोई भी पोशाक नहीं पहनेगा। ध्यान से सुनिए, मेरा मतलब है कि कोई भी उत्तर भारतीय पोशाक नहीं पहनेगा तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये लुंगी। कायदा नंबर 2, आज से झापना को थलाइवा के नाम से जाना जाएगा। कायदा नंबर 3, आज से इडली सांभर, डोसा और पायसा के अलावा और कुछ भी नहीं पकाया जाएगा। थलाइवा को ये बहुत पसंद है। कायदा नंबर 4, आज से स्कूल में पहली लैंग्वेज तमिल होगी और दूसरी लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश। कायदा नंबर 5, आगे से जो कोई भी थलाइवा के दरबार में आएगा उसे कुछ इस तरह से उसको सलामी देनी होगी। Your Highness, कोई सवाल, कोई शक इसके बारे में? Your Highness, with your permission, you may close the session.
Please go ahead.
ये दरबार बर्खास्त की जाती है।
Minister.
Yes, Your Highness.
मनोरंजन थोड़ा
Arrange the Thalaiva, don't worry.
Please bring it on.
Sure, Thalaiva.
मनोरंजन
She was good, Your Highness.
Please bring. Minister, a bit too revealing, Minister.
Modern style.
Minister,
One more option, Thalaiva. Last chance.
last chance. Okay. Last chance,
One, Thalaiva. Not good for him, Thalaiva.
Chance or not?
Okay, Thalaiva. Please listen to her.
सामने दुर्गा माझा नाव बाजीराव सिंघम
Singham!
अगले 24 घंटों में तो आजा शरण में हो गई है
She's conveying some message, Thalaiva. My God, Thalaiva! Please pay attention. Thalaiva, she's conveying a message that was gonna for war.
अरे थोड़ा पट्टी
Narayan, Narayan. Well, the king was busy in the Manoranjan. He totally missed the message from the West Province that the king from the West Province just wanted to declare a war. The king heard it? Well, let's see.
Next scene.
Thalaiva, be careful.
Yep. Natural problem.
You're from South.
So what is for today?
So today is the session for question and answer, Thalaiva.
Question answer.
Yes,
That is
Thalaiva.
professor.
As I discussed with you, there are many problems that our people from the villages are facing. Certain problems you need to address, Thalaiva. Thalaiva, please. You are the king of North now. Thalaiva, you slept for 12 hours now, at least.
2 more, 5 minutes. My presentation tomorrow.
So, Thalaiva, 5 minutes.
May I come in, Minister?
Yes. Thalaiva!
Thalaiva, I don't have water in my village. My field drying. What to do? Enna padde? What?
I don't like her.
Irrigation, sir. Irrigation. I'm
Minister,
telling you.
why is she coming to me, Minister?
Thalaiva, she's never shared the problem with
Next
me.
time, Minister, anyone comes to
But
me, I will fire you.
Why are you blaming me, Thalaiva?
Irrigation, illegal, village shift.
Thalaiva, she likes you because that's what she did to you directly. This is bad.
Why everyone do this? What does it mean?
हमारे गांव में खाने का बहुत प्रॉब्लम है तलैवा कुछ तो मदद करो तलैवा कुछ तो मदद करो
Minister,
Everybody likes you, I agree.
Minister, next time you have to handle it. No one has to
Yes,
come to me
Thalaiva.
directly.
Yes, Thalaiva.
Please handle it. Please
Yes,
take
sir.
care.
Narayan, Narayan. Well, the king was not interested in Praja's problem. Or I think he had a problem that the Praja directly came to him and not the minister. Did the Praja miss the hierarchy? Well, I think so. Narayan, Narayan. Well,
Thalaiva, please get up.
the king well, the king missed the message of the West King Province. So, the war message he actually missed and the war was declared. So, here we end the script.
Friends, as we saw here, various barriers of communication. Now it's up to you to guess and to find out which all barriers of communication were displayed here. Thank you very much and have a great evening. Before we finish, we have a small rap written for you guys.
So here's how we start. पेश किया है हमने ये wasn't a flop or a hit.
जिसमें से हम मैसेज के कैरियर्स बताए हैं आपको कम्युनिकेशन के बैरियर्स
We know acting is an art. Everyone plays their part. We know we care is for marks, but what important is the relationship that we all share.
Thank you.